In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the Powell raise exercise. This can be done as a standalone exercise to build up the strength of the back of your shoulders and also your rotator cuff, or alternatively, it can be used with a lighter weight like I'm going to demonstrate, where you can do this as a warm-up before doing upper body exercise. Now, firstly, you'll notice I've got a bench here. You don't have to use a bench, you could actually do this in a side plank variation if you wanted to. I'll cover that in a separate video. I've got the bench here at a 15-degree incline. It's completely optional. You can have it a higher incline or you can have it completely flat. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be side lying. So my left leg is going to come into a bent position here. And what I'm then going to do is side lay. So I'm laying on my side here. My shoulder, notice how it comes round. So I've actually got my shoulder completely relaxed. It's come round my body. From here, I'm not going to get any neck strain because my hand is having the whole weight of my head. And what I want you to think of is lock out your elbow and try and imagine you're drawing a completely straight line up and slowly bringing the weight back down. Drawing that line straight up and slowly back down. It's really important that on the lowering phase of this exercise, you're trying to imagine where you're in control of this descent of the weight. So you don't want that weight to just be dropping down, gravity lowering it. From here, you also want to make sure that you're not coming into this position or coming too far this way. You're trying to draw that straight line. So you imagine, right from this position, I want to come straight up to the ceiling. Big contraction at the top and slowly back down. If you're feeling it at the back of your shoulders, you're doing it right. Now you don't need a lot of weight for this. So in terms of weight selection, if you've never done it before, start off with a really light weight, see how you feel with it. If you notice that it's too easy, start to progress it. But you don't want to be coming and doing a weight where you're swinging the weight up. Make sure that it's something that you can really lower under control when you're doing the Powell raise. That's how to do the Powell raise, and you'd repeat that on both sides for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. If you do have one side that is stronger than the other, so maybe you're doing this as part of a rehab, make sure you always start off with that weaker side first.